Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha here again. It is National Car Care Month, so happy October. So after a busy summer here, we had our AC running for several months straight. It's going to be time to shift into colder temperatures, and as we shift into colder temperatures, we're going to want to make sure that your car is also prepared. So that could mean setting up a service appointment. That could mean your standard oil change, tire rotation, but it's also going to include things like checking your brakes, checking your battery, making sure that your wipers are going to be prepared for snowy and or icy conditions that will be coming up here. And maybe you don't have snow tires, and it might be a little bit premature at this point, but you could take a look at snow tires, maybe take advantage of a discount that we have on those here as well, and get yourself equipped for Wisconsin winters. Regardless of whatever you need, service can perform a multi-point vehicle inspection and take care of your vehicle, making sure that you have peace of mind and are ready to rock for the colder temperatures coming up here. To set up an appointment with service, please contact us here at 262-444-5445. Otherwise, take care, happy football season, and happy spooky season.